Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Alienform token. Ticker symbol is A4M. This token just got listed on a central, or they're talking about it being listed on a central exchange. I'm not sure if there's an exact date yet, but it will be very soon. So we're going to go over the information anyway on how to get this token and what the utilities, the use cases, all the info on this token, so you guys can go check it out. We're going to do that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token looked like it just got a brand new listing, but it actually says coming soon. It says listing soon. Upcoming new listing, Bitmart will be listing the A4M token soon. We will airdrop A4M tokens to Shinja holders at a ratio of 1:1. So this seems like this is a migration here from the Shinja token to this new token A4M. So if you are a Shinja holder, you probably already know about this. It says if you have not migrated to SHINJAV2 yet, you need to do so before September 1st. So that is tomorrow. So this video will be right in time. Most people who are Shinja holders will obviously know about this. I hope so anyways. But you can check out all this information here. This is all on a Twitter. I'm going to put the Twitter up right here for you guys to easily find this. At Alien_4M. Brand new Twitter, just joined in July 2023. Only 17 tweets so far. And they're basically all about this migration from Shinja. And they have a new TikTok listed on here. You can check out their Alien TikTok. And then this Bitmart announcement. So they're going to be listed on Bitmart soon. So that's where you'll be able to get this brand new token by downloading Bitmart from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Stay tuned, follow this Twitter. When it gets listed on Bitmart, you'll see it on the announcement on here. Then you'll be able to trade your USDT for the Alienform token. You would just search A4M, the ticker symbol, when it gets listed. Now, if you want to find their webpage is alien4m.com. Over there, you could find a full Alien paper and all their social links and everything like that. It says download the Alien paper. So Alienform is an innovative, decentralized token project that stands at the forefront of transparency, community-led governance, honesty, and accountability. With a steadfast commitment to these principles, Alienform aims to build trust and credibility within the crypto space. This is achieved through a combination of measures, including the use of multi-signature, multi-sig wallets, and the regular publication of monthly financial reports. So the crypto space faces significant challenges regarding trust and integrity, which impacts the participants and hinders the industry's growth. Several issues contribute to the problem, including token scams and rug pulls, slow rug pulls, fake projects and team members, and pump and dump schemes. These trust-related issues pose a significant risk to participants in the crypto space. They erode trust, cause financial losses, and hinder the broader adoption of crypto. Addressing these challenges is crucial to build a more trustworthy and resilient crypto ecosystem that safeguards principles, interests, and fosters sustainability, growth, and innovation. So their solution at Alien4M, transparency lies at the core of Alienform's values. The project is dedicated to providing its community members with a complete visibility into its operations and financial activities. As a community-led initiative, Alienform empowers its participants by involving them in the decision-making process, electing community representatives to form a board of directors, ensuring that all significant choices are made collectively and in the best interest of the community as a whole. To enhance security and protect users' funds, Alienform utilizes multi-sig wallets. These wallets require the consensus and approval of multiple individuals to authorize transactions. By implementing this decentralized control mechanism, Alienform ensures that no single person holds full control over the project's assets, migrating the risk of fraudulent and unauthorized actions. These current holders of the multi-sig wallets are Wolf, Mary Jane, Stone, Doug, and Drew. In addition to transparency and security, Alienform recognizes the importance of accountability. The project consistently delivers financial reports to the community by combining transparency, community-led governance, regular financial reporting, and use of multi-sig wallets. Alienform sets a new standard of trust and integrity in the crypto space. So there's community-led decision-making. There's a board of community members. There's team and advisors. You can go over all of these on their paper. So the utilities, they're going to have a bridge, a groundbreaking solution, the Alien Bridge, that enables seamless and rapid transfers between different blockchains, which is going to have speed and efficiency, interoperability, and cost effectiveness. There's also going to be NFTs. So there's going to be popular Alienform NFTs. And so the bridge and NFTs, and then the tokenomics, it says that they'll be announced soon. They don't have them listed on here yet. And there will be a roadmap coming out in the future, but that says it's going to be based basically upon, the community, because it's a community-led governance token. So that's when the roadmap will come out after people vote on proposals of what they want to see. So, and then also on their webpage, alien4m.com, you can find their Twitter or their X, Telegram, YouTube. It says Discord coming soon, and they also have a Reddit. So check out their Twitter up here. That's going to have all the information about the SHINJAV2, the Alienform token, the new listing on Bitmart, all that good stuff. So follow the Twitter there. Check out their webpage. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Do you guys think this is a good project or what? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.